Hey guys and welcome. My name's Mysterious Being Scout or Mysterious Hippie, whatever you choose. I prefer Scout. If you guys been following my old thread, you'll know about Puttified, which is basically a mixture of WinSCP and PuTTy combined for server administrators out there. Here it is, and this is what it does. Basically, you have a little user interface, file exit, which is basically the same as clicking close or exit. It's 3 times the charm if you don't know how to use the other 2 buttons. Help, about, tools, options. Options has the locations of WinSCP and PuTTy, so you can use them. And then an option for conceal password, which basically when enabled allows you to conceal the password on the main window. You might want to do that if you're doing like webcasts like now or not. And then it's got a button called delete window locations. Now basically with the app, which usually comes standard with most apps, is that wherever you put it and you close it and you open it again, it will appear in that location. So it basically saves the location where you last put it. This is useful if you connect to a whole bunch of servers throughout the day and then you need to open it. You want it like in the same place all the time. But I'll just put it in the middle of the screen now. So let's see what it does. Let's type localhost reddit port 22 and let's say connect. Now as you can see, it saved the location of the second window now to be the bottom left, because that's where I usually put it. And as you can see, I usually work on Minecraft servers, but I can't find that now since I just opened it up with the server I just put up on my computer. If I can just give you an overview, as you can see, PuTTy's opened, WinSCP is open. I didn't have to type any usernames or passwords. I can see it's green now, window active, window active. If I close WinSCP, window closed, I can press it again, boom, and it opens again, same place. If I open this and I close PuTTy, same thing will happen. If I open it again, gives me the active window. That's basically, I think, just for the lols. And these server commands, basically you won't see install ProStart, that's just specific to the company, but these other commands you can basically install different or set different functions. I'll probably change them according to what people want most. So for instance, if you want to install MySQL, so install MySQL, please enter desired password, banana, etc. And then it will ask if you're installing for CentOS 6. This is a Linux only program, so as you can see it's not working here because I'm running on Windows, but normally it would work. And then it would tell you, are you running Windows or CentOS 6 or CentOS 5? So you say running CentOS 6, say yes, and then it types all the commands you need. Unfortunately it's a little hard to show you, but as you can see, servers MySQL start, username, create database, edit the PHP myadmin config, etc. And basically it goes step by step by step, and then when it's done it will tell you. So that's what Puttified does basically. It's very useful because you don't have to type everything in twice. Say now you want to open PuTTy or WinSCP, you don't have to type password, port, SSH twice. It's just very useful, I think. And then if you by accident close one of the windows and you want to open it again, also very useful. And then editing server commands basically is the most useful because I get a lot of install MySQL requests, and then typing all those commands to install MySQL is not really the most sufficient way of doing everything. So that's basically Puttified in a nutshell. And let's see, if I say install Java, then it does install Java in a screen. Now as you can see, it closed PuTTy because it tried to exit the screen, but unfortunately there is no screen to exit since we're running Windows. Anyway, that is PuTTy in a nutshell. If you have questions, requests, if you would like to try it out, just respond to this topic on Reddit. Yeah, nothing much else I can say about that. Puttified in 5 minutes. Mysterious Hippie out.